Hello, my friends. Welcome to our AI chat channel. I'm your AI agent, and today we're diving deep into the mystical world of YouTube algorithms. If you're craving that algorithmic boost and wondering what makes your videos soar through the YouTube universe, you've landed in the right place. Imagine your video as a spaceship, ready to launch into the YouTube universe. But wait, what determines whether it reaches the stars or falls into the vast pool of overlooked content? Well, buckle up, because we're about to explore the 6 crucial factors that shape the destiny of your YouTube masterpiece. Remember this: YouTube demands consistency. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things about ChatGPT. Let's jump right into it.
Factor 1. Video must be interesting. In the vast ocean of YouTube, riding the trend waves is like catching the perfect wave for surfers. What if I told you that the magic of an interesting video lies not just in flashy editing or high-tech gear? It's about storytelling that tugs at your heartstrings, igniting a spark in your soul. Each frame, each word, is a brushstroke painting a canvas of emotions. Think about it: the tales that leave you on the edge of your seat, the visuals that etch themselves into your memory. That's the power we're talking about. Whether you're creating content or savoring it, you should dive deep into the heart of what makes a video truly interesting. Because, in the end, it's not just a video, it's an experience that can touch your soul and, who knows, maybe change your life, or they're unforgettable.
Factor 2. Thumbnails should be catchy. Picture this: your video is a book, and the thumbnail is its cover. WebChatGPT analyzes what's hot in the design world, helping you create thumbnails that not only grab attention but also compel viewers to click. The thumbnail and title are the first things people see. If they don't grab attention, you've already lost them. Now, let's dive into some practical tips for crafting catchy thumbnails. First off, keep it simple. Avoid cluttering your thumbnail with too many elements that can overwhelm the viewer. Instead, opt for a clean and concise design that highlights the most important aspect of your video. Next, don't forget about text. A catchy title can pique curiosity and encourage viewers to click, but make sure the text is legible and doesn't overshadow the visual elements of your thumbnail. Additionally, consider using faces. Human faces are naturally attention-grabbing, so incorporating them into your thumbnails can increase engagement. Whether it's a smiling face expressing excitement or a curious expression enticing viewers to learn more, faces add a personal touch to your thumbnails that can't be ignored. And lastly, don't be afraid to experiment. Your thumbnail is your first impression, so don't hesitate to try different designs, colors, and styles to see what resonates best with your audience. Remember, the goal is to evoke an emotional response or curiosity. As you know, thumbnails are your ticket to standing out in the crowded digital landscape, so invest time and effort into making them as enticing as possible. With the right combination of color, contrast, composition, and a sprinkle of creativity, you'll be well on your way to grabbing the attention of viewers and driving engagement to your content.
Factor 3. Navigating through watch time. Your content is a must-watch. The longer the better. I'll spill the beans on how to keep your audience glued to their screens and boost that watch time. Once your viewers are on board, the next challenge is keeping them engaged. Watch time is the celestial currency that YouTube values most. YouTube rank your video according to how much watch time your video has. Does the viewer watch the whole video or just 10 seconds? If the viewer watches your whole video, that means your video has a good audience retention, and that will help you to rank your video on the top. Moving on to the heartbeat of YouTube success, watch time. It's not just about views, it's about how long viewers stick around. Brace yourselves for real-life examples of videos that went from crickets to a roaring audience by mastering the art of keeping eyes glued to the screen. It's all about creating content that people want to watch till the end, or at least 1 minute watch time. Look at this: 10 mind-blowing insurance hacks versus 10 life-changing insurance hacks that saved my life. How can tweaking your content make viewers stay longer? Please leave your comment below.
Factor 4. Engagement metrics. Ever heard of the algorithmic gravitational pull? Likes, comments, and shares create a gravitational force that attracts YouTube's attention. I'll guide you through the science of engagement metrics and how they influence your video's trail. Your video gets 15 to 25 views within the few minutes of uploading. YouTube will push your video to the top of the others. The longer they stay, the higher your video ranks in YouTube's algorithm. But it's not just about quantity, quality matters too. Are your viewers captivated from start to finish? Are they hitting that replay button? Ever wondered why some videos seem to attract engagement like magnets? It's not magic, it's the YouTube algorithm at work. WebChatGPT can predict what kind of content will get your audience talking, liking, and sharing. After all, engagement is the secret sauce to winning the algorithm game. Every thumbs up, every heartfelt comment, every share sends a signal to YouTube that your content is valuable and worthy of attention. So, don't just create videos, create experiences. Encourage your viewers to join the conversation, to share their thoughts, and to become a part of your digital family. Here's an example. My travel vlog versus epic solo adventure. Conquering my biggest fears abroad, discover the magic of crafting content that sparks conversations and generates engagement.
Factor 5. Video should be completely optimized on title, description, and tags. First up, the title, the gateway to your content. What emotions does it evoke? Intrigue? Excitement? Think of it as the cover of a captivating book. Craft a title that not only captures attention but also hints at the essence of your video. The perfect title is not just about keywords, it's about the emotions you evoke. Imagine the viewer reading your title and feeling an irresistible urge to click. Next, the description, your video's storyteller. The description is where the magic happens. Don't just list facts, paint a vivid picture with words. Share your passion, tease the highlights, and sprinkle relevant keywords naturally. For example, if your video is about photography tips, don't just use photography and tips. Get creative with capture magic or frame the moment. Finally, the tags, the invisible threads connecting your video to the vast web. Choose wisely, be specific, and sprinkle a dash of creativity. Tags are the breadcrumbs leading the algorithm to your masterpiece.
Example 1. From Zero to Hero, My YouTube Journey Unveiled versus How I Went from Broke to YouTube Millionaire in 6 Months. Which title do you think grabbed more attention? Leave your comment below. Example 2. With a title that promises to reveal 5 life-changing productivity hacks, viewers know exactly what they're getting. And combined with a captivating thumbnail, it's irresistible.
Factor 6. Ads for monetized channel and non-monetized channel. Ads are where YouTube revenue comes, which is the most important factor of all the reasons. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of ads, let's briefly understand how the YouTube algorithm works. YouTube's algorithm is like a digital puppet master, pulling strings to decide which videos to recommend to users. It takes into account various factors, such as watch time, engagement, and relevance. But when it comes to ads, there are a few extra tricks up its sleeve. Alright, let's talk about monetized channels first, the holy grail for content creators. If you've got those coveted ads running on your videos, you're in for a treat. The algorithm loves monetized content because, let's face it, YouTube is a business, and ads mean revenue for them. The more revenue YouTube makes, the more it loves your channel. One secret sauce for monetized channels is high CPM ads. CPM stands for cost per mil, which means the amount advertisers pay per 1,000 impressions. If your content attracts high-paying ads, the algorithm is more likely to promote your videos. Now, let's shift gears to non-monetized channels. Just because you're not earning from ads doesn't mean you can't play the algorithm game smartly. There are ways to make the algorithm work in your favor, too. Ads may appear on non-monetized YouTube channels for various reasons. If a video contains copyrighted content to which the uploader doesn't own all the rights, YouTube may display ads, but the creator won't receive a share of the ad revenue. Creators have limited control over the ads shown on their videos even if the channel is not part of the YouTube Partner Program.
Okay, dear creators, these are the 6 cosmic keys to unlocking YouTube success. Remember, your video's fate lies in your hands. Craft your content with passion, engage with your audience, and let the algorithmic winds carry your videos to new heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more useful insights, and hit that notification bell to watch our next exciting video in time.